Hi, welcome to Kicking It with TC, or welcome back. If you are new, please subscribe. Today's video is a Valentine's nail tutorial, and also thank you for watching. So first you're going to need nails. You can get these from Walmart, AliExpress, or a beauty supply store, and they're pretty cheap. And next you're going to need a nail polish of your choice. It does not matter. The next thing you will need are nail clippers. These are not necessary, but they're good for artificial nails. The last thing you will need is tape, clippers, and also a file. So first you want to start off finding the nail size. You measure it to your size, and that's me holding up the paper to show my nail measurements. It's very important that you choose the nail size that fits to you so they won't fall off. Next you want to file the nail to your desired size. I clipped the nails, so I had to file them to make sure they're at the right shape. And right here is my little setup to keep the nails still. I have tape on eyeliner pencils so that way I can polish them and they'll stay still. Okay, so here I use like a bottom coat so that way when I put on the other nail polish it'll show up in its true color. And right here I am polishing, setting up for the design that I'm going to do. So now I start applying the red maroony looking color that I want on top. Let's not sit up here and ignore the fact that I said maroony in the last voiceover. I really said maroony. And this is where I do the heart design. I did it on one nail, but like the other one, you'll see later on in the video, I did not like it because it was sideways, and I think this is the one that's sideways. Yeah, this is the one. I did something different and I didn't get to record that part, so I'll just show at the end in the final look. And I start to outline for the heart. This is just showing how I did it, even though I didn't keep this design.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. Ooh, love, anticipating good love.
Oh, it's record. Oh, and as you can see, wow, the back door interrupted me. But as you can see, this is the finished product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.